Hi everyone, let us continue with the 23rd pauri of Japji Sahib. ਸਲਾਹੀ ਸਲਾਹੇ ਏਤੀ ਸੁਰਤ ਨ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਦੀਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਵਾਹ ਪਵੈ ਸਮੁੰਦ ਨ ਜਾਣੇ ਇਹ. Those who worship him praise him but have neither understanding of God nor remembrance of God. The streams and rivers flowing into ocean but they are unaware of its vastness. स्तुति करने वाले उसकी स्तुति करते हैं लेकिन उन्हें उनकी स्मृति नहीं मिलती. नदी और नाले समुद्र में गिरते हैं लेकिन वे उसकी विशालता को नहीं जानते. Here Nanak addresses the importance of remembering God with devotion and developing intuitive consciousness. Surti means awareness, chakruk bhav, continuous remembrance. Nanak opines, singing of his praise is superficial. Nothing can be achieved through this. स्तुति ऊपर ऊपर होती, सुरति भीतर होती. Everything is achieved through surti. It's like a mother who cares, remembers her child while doing all activities of her daily routine. Nanak says that in every situation of life, we have to keep his remembrance alive. We have to aware of him at all times. हिमालय जाने की, वनवास की, संन्यास की कोई जरूरत नहीं. रहो तुम कहीं भी, सुरती बस परमात्मा में हो. Like a lotus in water. लेकिन जल उसे छू भी नहीं पाता. There is no need to shout aloud, "You are great, my Lord." There is no need to ring bells and sing praises. परमात्मा तो पास से भी पास है. Only remembrance is needed. We all are like rivers, streams, flow into God every living moment. Our vital life force, our breath, inhales and exhales constantly without violation. God flows through us. हर श्वास उसी में जाती है और उसी से लौटती है. With this awareness, feeling of gratitude and thanksgiving comes. Our entire search of God through praise and worship is futile. हर घड़ी हर पल उसके स्मरण में बने रहना एक ओंकार के साथ एकीकार होना है. समुंद शाह सुल्तान गिरहा सेती मालतन कीड़ी तुल न होवनी जे तिस मनो न विसरे. Even kings and emperors of great domain who possess enormous treasure, these are not even equal to an ant who does not forget God. समुद्र के जैसे बड़े बादशाह और सुल्तान जिनके पास अत्यधिक संपत्ति है उस चींटी की बराबरी नहीं कर सकते जो तुझे याद रखती है. What you accumulate in the outside world makes no difference. Nanak says there is only one wealth to attain his remembrance. He opines, do not indulge in the madness of acquiring vast kingdoms. More you get engaged in piling up worldly wealth, more you forget to remember him. The lowliest of the lowly become the greatest of the great on achieving surati. People like Alexander the Great die as a pauper, bankrupt. The most powerful turn out to be helpless, frail, but even if an ant is filled with remembrance, becomes valuable. Guru Nanak, Lord Buddha, becomes precious because of surti. Kings will come and go, but Nanak will remain forever. पद प्रतिष्ठाएं बनेंगी मिटेंगी, पर नानक का, बुद्ध का, महावीर का मिटना मुश्किल है. Whatever you gather in this world hold significance and value for you as long as your understanding or remembrance has not awakened. जैसे ही सुरती जगेगी, you will become mature. समझ का दिया जल उठेगा. Suddenly all become meaningless. Life is transformed the moment सुरती awakes. एक ही दरिद्रता है, परमात्मा को भूल जाना. एक ही समृद्धि है, उसकी याद को उपलब्ध हो जाना. You are rich to the extent of your remembrance. Thank you. That is all for today.